Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome everyone to my channel. In this video, I will be covering packages in Java. So in the last video, I talked about arrays, data types, one-dimensional, two-dimensional arrays. Actually can do a lot with arrays. I will be coming up with programs on array addition, array multiplication. It's all just simple work of for loops. You access each element of array uh, of one array and each element of another array, all with for loops. Then you add, and then you store in a third array. These are some of the programs that you do with arrays, that you play with arrays. Then you can do multiplication and addition. You require three arrays for that. One with one set of data, another with another set of data, and the third where you're adding each corresponding value with the corresponding value of the second array. So I will come up with programs on them also. Um, Here I am going to cover packages. So as you know, Java has got its own packages, inbuilt packages that come with the JDK software. That when you install, they uh, they get unzipped. They get installed in your. They are available to you to work with, which you import in your programs. Like you import a package with import statement. So these packages have been created and compiled into the JDK app that you install. Here we are going to create our own packages, and for that we have got certain set of commands, certain way to write code to create the packages, and then we use the package keyword, package package name semicolon. That is a simple statement to create a package, but there are certain things associated with packages, like you need to be very sure about the directories. A package is basically a hierarchy, a directory, right? A directory of folders are created upon compile time. Actually you create the uh, the folders, right? You create the hierarchy of folders, and then you place the Java file properly in the proper folder, and then only you can use the command package name, and then you write the class, and then while compiling, you associate the package name with the class that you are compiling. Otherwise it won't compile. So you need to give the package name, like pk, if pk1 is the name of my package, and pk1 dot class name, java pk name dot class name. My mistake. uh, no what was I saying? Yes. So you need to be sure about the hierarchy you create. Then you can create a hierarchy of packages, like package pk1 dot pk2 dot pk3 semicolon. Then you create class. You can create multiple classes in a package. Then you create that hierarchy of pk1. You create a folder pk1, then inside pk1 you create another folder pk2, inside that you create another folder pk3. Then you place the Java file plus the class file that is generated after compile time in the bin folder. From there you place it in the pk3 directory. So I'm going to explain these with coding. It becomes easier to explain. As I show you, you visually see how packages are created, and it's better you grasp that way. You grasp that way better. Then with packages comes access specifiers that I had touched upon little bit in my previous videos. There are 4 access specifiers that define visibility of data members, that is where all it will be available to work with. So there are 4 access specifiers: public, protected, private, and default. So suppose there is one package with 3 classes, out of which one class is not extending anyone. The first class is the base class, and the second class is extending the first class, and the third class is not extending anyone. It's just sitting there. Okay, in one package. In another package, there are 2 classes, and here there are 2 classes. The first class is extending the base class of the first package. The second class is just sitting. So in that case, if the first class of the first package has certain data members, like int, say int variable containing some data, containing some value, which has there are say 4 data members, int of type int. One is public, one is protected, one is default, one is private. So what will be the accessibility? Which class will be able to access those data? I'm going to show this, explain this with coding, right? So let us move to the coding mode, switch on to the coding mode.